and clear here, right? So now we'll create one. So for that we need a theta and some, the some variable. So like we have to provide two input as we know. So for polar plot we need a two parameter. One is the angle and second is the radius. So angle, I'll use theta as a variable name to create angle, which is 0 point, starts at 0 colon 0.01 and ending at 2 into 5. Yeah, and then RHO, that's the basically a radius. And for that I'm going to use one simple equation, that absolute is a function. Yep. So sine of 2 into theta, I'm using the equation, I'm writing an equation here, to sine of 2 theta dot product, because when you multiply two vector, you need to use a dot product, dot product, not dot product syntax instead of a simple product operation. Cos of 2 into theta, semicolon. So we got RHO, we got theta. So we got angle and radius right now. Now I can call a polar. Let's say I'm typing initial three letters of the function name, which is a polar plot. And if I press the tab key, it suggests me the function name. So I'll type few more like this. So if you want to plot a polar axis, there are so many options it is showing, but I want to select polar plot. So I'll select that. I'll press the enter key. So I've got that complete function name, given on the command window. And now I'll provide the bracket requirement. So input requirement is, first of all, we need is theta, and second we need is RHO. And then I'll press the enter key here. So this is my polar plot which I have plotted here. So that is for, so with the by so we have created a variable theta, like we have created variable angle, radius with the name theta and RHO, and then by using a polar plot function we are plotting a polar plot. So that is how we can so all these are line plots. So why I'm saying line plots, because line is a plot style, so it is a line. Now let's understand how we can, all these are continuous plots, right? So whatever plots we have seen, like we have seen sine wave, we have seen polar plot, a staircase, we have seen the bar charts, right? So these all are the line plots, a continuous plot. Now let's understand how we can use different functions in MATLAB to create a discrete plot. So let me clear this existing data right now. Yeah. So to create discrete data, to create discrete plot in MATLAB environment, we can use one function called a stem plot. So we'll start with stem plot. So stem is the function. So if I want to write a comment in MATLAB, I can type percent, and then if I type anything after this comment, after this percent sign, that is going to be considered as a comment line, right? So this is a function which I can use to create discrete data. So I'll execute that. Now I'll create one variable that starts at 0, the step size of 0.1 and a 4. Then I'll create y is equal to sine of x dot part2 bracket complete into dot product with exponential of minus x. So I'm creating this equation here, and then I'm going to write same function of input is going to be x versus y and execute. So this is my discrete data visualizations. So all the samples are arranged in a discrete nature. Yeah, we have multiple samples, and all together we have total 41 samples plotted over the range of 0 and 4. Yeah, as you can see that. Now let's go ahead that how we can how we can plot a scatter plot. So we all are quite aware of the scatter plot. Yeah, so let's understand how we can plot a scatter plot in